Hey there, it's Lisa Tarquinio here, and today we're going to go over using some of the tools that I use to create an image post. Now here we have Canva.com, which is really great and a lot of fun to use. It is web-based, but they did just come out with an iPad version, so for all you iPad users, you can now use Canva on there as well. So I would just download the app there. And now, as you see here, they have a whole bunch of different templates already to use, and you can also click more, but right now, just to cut on time, we're going to use an Instagram post, and it's already set up for you. It's 640 by 640 pixels, which is a perfect square, and then here I have my blank template. Now over here on the left hand side, you're going to see your search. So you'll have different versions that you can do. If you have a grid system that you want to just upload and do a collage of pictures, you can do that. If you have to do a frame, like do that, and you can size it up whichever way you want it to, and then just drag a picture up there. You know, they have shapes, lines, illustrations. If you want to do infographics, they have a whole bunch of infographics. I'll show you real quick. Oops. Which is, you know, this is really great, and it can be a lot of fun creating these infographics right here. So, what else they have? They have a layout section. So they have templates already made for you. Just if you're short on time and don't have, you know, a lot of time to put something together, they have something already made for you. Their text. This is a lot of fun as well, just because of the different varieties that they have already made for you. I mean, they've really done the work here to make it as simple as possible for you. You just edit your title or your font, and off you go. It's really, really simple and user-friendly. And also backgrounds. Now, if you just want to do a solid color, you can play around with the color wheel here. Or if you want to have some kind of image. Now, as you see here in a lot of the sections, you'll see a free box. Now, those images are free. But then you'll have something like this one, which it will cost you $1. So any image that has a, let me delete this one. Any image that has a crosshair will be, you will be charged $1. So, but let's go back to layouts just to kind of go through this quickly. And I'm going to pick this one because that looks like fun. And I'm just going to adjust my size just so it fits the page better, and just change out my font. And then I'm just going to add a text here. Yep. And then here I'm going to show you, they have so many different now here I'm going to show you that they have so many different fonts that you can choose from. I mean, it's such a plethora of options. It's kind of insane. And it just opens up for a variety of just ideas and that you can use here, and this is all for free, guys. So you can do I think I saw something down here. Let's just do Open Sans. I think I want to do something a little thicker. Let's just do that real quick. And then you can adjust your font size. And then here you have your color wheel that you can play around with. go here. And then your background. You also have options for your background. Now if you go down here, you can choose pretty much just like Instagram, you can choose the different lens covers that you'd want. So if you wanted a retro look, a rosy look, kind of like a street look, there's so many different options here. It's really, really fun to play around with here. So I like the festive one, so I'm going to stick with that. Then you also have the option of playing around with how bright it is, the contrast, saturation, the tint, your blur, the X process, and your vignette. So your vignette is just giving you a cover of black, kind of framing the picture. So that's actually, I kind of like that, so I'm going to stick with that. And so after I'm done playing with my filter, I actually want to do maybe a little bit of a transparency, just so that my fonts stand out a little bit better. And there you have it. So if you ever have any questions on creating your images, please don't hesitate to ask.